Hello, kids! Meet our friends, Tommy the giraffe and Tina the rabbit. Tommy is tall, and Tina is short.
Hello, friends. I am tall, tall, tall. I can see over the trees.
Hi, everyone. I am short, short, short. I can hop under the bushes.
Let's look at these things and say, is it tall or short? This is a tall tree. This is a short flower. This is a tall building. This is a short house. Now let's play a game. Look around you. Can you find something tall? Tall cupboard. Tall door. Can you find something short? Short stool. Short shoes. Short toy. Remember, being tall is fun. And being short is fun too. Yay, you are learning so well. We are all special in our own way.